are pleased to show you the 2019 Pacifica. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, touring suspension, emergency braking preparation, roof rails, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, auxiliary transmission fluid cooler, daytime running lights. Inside you'll find voice-activated navigation system, rear view camera, airbags, front knee, Wi-Fi, hotspot compatible, heated steering wheel, audio radio, touchscreen display, upholstery, contrast stitching, electronic messaging assistance with read function,